Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch, press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And here we have it, we're back in the system, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.